So now it's time to install the machine heads. On this particular guitar we're going to be installing vintage Clues style machine heads. So with these you get individual bushings that basically push into the headstock. It's quite easy to install. Basically just need to push those in. If you find, in some cases, because these bushings are exactly 10mm and the tuner hole should be 10mm, occasionally you get the odd hole that's been drilled slightly too wide for the bushing, so we've just wrapped a little bit of tape around this. You can use ptfe tape or a little bit of tinfoil, or just give the bushing a little bit more bite and keep it in place. And once you've got those installed, it's just a case of installing the machine heads. These are obviously 6-in-line machine heads, and you do get two slightly different ones for the ends. So the idea, I guess, is to make sure that they're all nice and straight. I've got a straight edge here, just a ruler, just to make sure that they are all aligned perfectly. And then I've got a Sharpie which I'm going to use just to mark off. Okay, they look pretty good to me. So the holes are all marked out. So what I've got now is a 1.5mm drill bit. It's very small, and again, if you're drilling these by hand, you want to make sure you're not drilling through all of the headstock. So just use a bit of masking tape just to mark off exactly how far you want to go with the hand drill. Right, so the holes are drilled. We're now going to install the machine heads. And again, we're going to use the wax just to coat these screws as we install them, because they are very soft and are prone to snapping. So it's worth bearing that in mind. Also going to put a little bit of wax on the tip, and that helps to keep hold of the screws as we screw them in. There we go, that's all finished.